Okay, so um, now that we have these numbers, we're able to calculate the variance. And the variance is the sum of the deviation squared multiplied by their probabilities of occurring. Okay, so let's go ahead and add these numbers up. The sum of the deviation squared multiplied by their probabilities. Okay, and now we have our variance. Okay, so now that we have the variance, we can go ahead and calculate our standard deviation. What our standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Look at that, just enough room. Okay, so SQRT or equals SQRT. There, we have a standard deviation of 27.01. Okay. Okay, so we have our expected return and we have our standard deviation. Now that we have these numbers, we can use this as a component in a diversified portfolio. Through diversification, we can go ahead and take out the business. We can go ahead and diversify away the business specific risk that is associated with this investment. And by doing that, we'll be able to keep a fairly, I mean, it depends on the other investments, but keep a fairly high expected return relative to the standard deviation. This will get lower through diversification at a faster rate than the expected return will. This is we're going to have to run an analysis like this on every investment that is part of a portfolio in order to get these numbers so that we can ultimately find the optimal mix of all the different individual investments such as this one to make that portfolio the most efficient it can be. Okay, so that concludes my tutorial. Go ahead and visit our website at www.subjectmoney.com. It is still a work in progress, but it is a very interactive website. There's all sorts of different business terms, definitions, tutorials, examples, and a lot of other tools that we're going to be adding to it to help you understand business and more specifically finance better. So make sure you visit again www.subjectmoney.com, and thanks for watching.